Namaskar, I am Rupam Sarkar, Assistant Professor of an Engineering College. Now we are going through about the compiler design. Now we will analysis the data flow, how the data will flow through the. So can you remember I have given a very detailed discussion about the data flow computer. Can you imagine? Can you remember that? How we were designed within the graphical manner, how the data is flowing through the computer, how it is executed. It is the next. Don't consider a compiler design is the other subject and computer organization is the other subject. Those are the papers of the computer science and engineering, and those are very interrelated. One is interrelated with each other, and to find out this connection is the motivation of computer science and engineering to understand. If you can relate the subject, then you are a complete engineer, otherwise you are not a complete engineer. I would like to tell you that give that much time that until you can discover what is the relationship between the each and every subject in computer science and engineering. If I am telling about C and then I am going to the compiler design, don't be surprised. If I am telling about computer organization, then I am going to the software engineering, don't be confused. This is very much interrelated to each other and total is the computer science. So who are the builders? Who are the builders of the highest level of technologies? Those are very much expert in computer science and engineering. Until they cannot design, they cannot handle a company. Okay, so data flow analysis is to determine the information regarding the definition use the data program. So how I will analysis the data program and data flowing is that the technique use the compiler design analysis how the data flows through the program, how the data will flow with the program. That means you are in the OS, in the operating system. Whenever I am telling about the program in under execution, the program under execution, and when the program under execution, how will it progress? It all the expression should be understood. What I have written, what the codes have been written, that should be understood by the executive units of, and my compiler design should have that good of manner. The variable computation, that means what the variable I have used and what the variable should be computed to each other, and how the variables could be used, what the variables value, how the variable is local, global, how much time it is using, if it is in for loop, if it is in else if it is in structure, union, wherever it is, and how I can access the value. And what the expression mean, what the logical expression I have given to that, maybe arithmetic, maybe logical, and those should be computed, those should be expression should be understood by the operating system, by the ALU, by the CPU, and the constant that you have used, that should be understand. This is the main factor of data flow analysis. Thank you so much. Namaskar.